We're doing good.
We are taking a coffee making class here in Da Nang, Vietnam.
By we, she means her. I'm just
I
gonna
am.
Love you guys.
Love you.
Have fun.
Right, xin chào, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Vietnamese Coffee Club today. My name is Jane, J-A-N-E. Today our class we make 3 different kinds of coffee. But first of all, we're gonna make the free coffee first, the drip coffee. And we take the free coffee for the second one, is the egg coffee.
Okay.
And the third one is a salted coffee, and last one, coconut coffee. Okay. So do you know what kind of coffee beans to use in your country? Coffee beans.
So it's Robusta here, right?
Robusta.
And
Robusta
then
here.
at home, I want to say that it's what is it? Arabica. I can't say it. Yes.
Correctly. To put everything of your thing filter into there to clean and wash first and put it out. Okay, I go first. Alright, so first of all, I have to take the base first. The second one is the lid. The body is the first one. And pressure. So with pressure here, don't put in there, put outside.
Okay.
So the good temperature unit is around 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. Don't boil your water more because burn the coffee ground inside. 10 ml on the lid. Ml left on the top, please. Have to take the lid out first, please. Take the lid out. And with the coffee on the lid here, put it back on the top. Yes. And let's cover by your lid. But no need cover completely like that. Have the whole side to break air and drop faster. Sometimes you can mix with condensed milk and regular milk for the normally coffee. Probably you had before Vietnamese coffee like that. In Vietnam, we can grow Arabica beans, but just a small portion. It's about 5% of the coffee grown in Vietnam, and can grow in Sơn La and Lam Dong. Two places here has the higher cultivation and cooler temperature. It's the best place for grow Arabica. And the rest of region in Vietnam here grow most of the Robusta bean. Because with the Robusta bean has the higher resilience to the hot weather and disease. And Robusta has the higher yield than Arabica. So that's why farmers in Vietnam here prefer to grow Robusta to Arabica. Go to the egg coffee. So with the egg coffee here was created in 1946 from the northern of Vietnam in Hanoi, very long time ago. So at that time, due to milk shortage, by the mountaineer named Nguyễn Văn Giảng, he was in Hanoi. He whipped egg yolk, sugar and coffee mixed together. And the result was surprise. Very smooth and someone said it's similar to tiramisu flavor. It's like dessert. And honestly, the egg coffee just for tourists, not for local. Not for
Okay.
No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure.
Okay, and
Yep.
you your spoon to scrub it out. One, let's take the water in your filter. Make sure no more water in. It's almost done. And you can put the lid outside and put your filter on the lid.
Oh, and ours is warm or cold?
It's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Try not to set the
Okay.
camera on fire.
Try not to.
Here's, you can use this one.
There you go.
Soy. You can use that regular one.
Yeah, okay, okay. Good to know.
Okay, stop. Perfect.
So we will share. About cake.
They were right. It tastes like a s'more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Next one, we move to the salted coffee. Yes.
Favorite.
No.
Boy, that looks so good.
All right. And let's pour it into your glass, please. Pour it in.
Oh, you're going.
It did.
Here.
Okay.
I wasn't paying attention.
Rest.
All right, you two.
Good.
Straight on the top.
Oh, it's almost like a cream, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks delicious.
Ah, that looks good.
It tastes really creamy though, but not salty at all, and it kind of cuts down on some of that acidity of the coffee.
Nice.
It's nice.
This is
Yeah, it's a
rich,
Yeah, interesting.
rich, creamier.
yeah.
That's delicious.
How is it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's better than the egg one.
Yes, actually, because the egg one still had a little bit of that bitter in the back of your throat, whereas this does not.
No. Coffee and the last one.
Okay, just,
Okay. So with the coconut coffee, always serve with ice, always cold. So I have to put out for your glass then. And wow. Level 3, level 3.
oh my gosh, I didn't know coffee can do that.
Oh, that's neat. Oh, that also looks delicious. And it almost made the coffee look like caramel.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
That's crazy.
Creamy. It's very coconutty as well. I like it.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah.
Before we finish our coffee glass today, let's take photo together. With cat, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna get a hat photo, baby. Looks like oil.
It does. It's so dark.
I just want you to know there's cocoa powder on my GoPro.
Oh, yes, there is. I did a good job.
Yeah, great job. It's a little windy.
Chili sauce.
Yes,
Rich. Rich. Cream.
nice and creamy. Very coconutty, actually.
Talking to
I'm
me, talking to
sorry.
the camera. Try it again.
Like doubled in size. Oh, woo!
I'm feeling you. I'm so sorry.
Milk shower, it's okay.
You want to take a shower?
No. Well, yeah, do.
Are you full?
I don't drink a lot of coffee.
You're gonna be up all night.
So yeah, in fact, don't drink coffee at home. I like the coffee here better. And so, yeah,
Yeah.
I keep like, here, drink.
Okay, alright. So I hope you two can be asleep tonight.
Friends and family, guess what we're doing?
We're taking a coffee class here today in Vietnam.
By we, she means her. I'm just gonna film it.
Yep, I'm gonna cook
You're gonna cook.
coffee.